Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. So, yung reading natin nakakonsentrate ito sa general lang, no? But anyway, please do subscribe and please do comment down below. Kahit po heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. Let's start your reading. By the way, pagpasensya mo na medyo nahirapan ako i-shuffle kasi medyo luma itong gamit kong card, but this is one of my favorite. So, pagtsatsagaan ko siya. Okay. Libra. 9 of Wands. Of course, we do have here the 7 of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, energies. Ace of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles. The Devil is here. Someone here is with the Nine of Wands. Nagmamatigas tong taong to eh. There's this person, whether it's a love, career, whatever. But you don't care. Wala kang pakialam. Nagko-concentrate ka dito sa new beginnings. Nagko-concentrate ka sa growth mo. This person maybe someone in the past na nandiyan ka lang to support this person. Higit na mas marami kang naitulong or maitutulong sa kanya sana. But this person choose, no, na pumunta sa direction papalayo sa'yo. And this person is losing a lot of money. Maraming nawawala sa kanya. Maraming I feel like this is his or her karma dahil sa kataasan ng ego niya. You know, yun nangyayari sa kanya ngayon where nakikita naman natin you are willing to help pero hindi siya lumilingon man lang or maybe makipag-communicate, walang ganon. But you are here willing to help this person, maybe bigyan siya, natulungan siya magkaroon ng bagong opportunities, or maybe you're just there as a helping hand para sa person na ito, pero hindi man lang siya gumawa ng actions para maging open sa'yo. Wait lang guys. Okay, so I'm back. Anyway, I feel like this person feels like you are the devil, ikaw ang mali, ikaw may kasalanan, ikaw ang dapat layuan, like you are the devil, so gusto niya lumayo sa'yo because parang feeling niya ay hindi maganda makipag-connect sa'yo or bumalik or tumawag or what. Parang ganun. Feeling niya you are the devil, ikaw yung dapat layuan. But anyway, what is the advice or dapat gawin nga, advice nga regarding this person? Advice for Libra. What is the advice for Libra? Para dito sa person na ito. You do have here the 12 Wands, the World. This is the Empress. And the Magician, dalawang major arcana. Four of Cups. The Star. At the bottom of the deck. I I feel like so sa ngayon, kung ano yung mga nasa harapan mo, realidad, yun yung pagfokusan mo. I mean, if this person is wala sa buhay mo, if this is a soulmate, if we're talking about a soulmate or someone in the past, kung wala siya sa buhay mo, let them be. Hayaan mo lang. Mag-focus ka sa, we do have here the magician, this is you focusing on yourself, on your work. We do have here the empress, this is self-love. This is self-love. You should love yourself. Huwag kang maghabol, huwag kang tumawag, huwag kang gumawa ng action para dito sa taong hindi naman nagpapakita ng interest sa'yo. And you do have here the two of pentacles. You should priority yourself. Priority mo lang yung sarili mo. For some of you, even if this is a twin flame connection, reality muna tayo ngayon. Realidad muna tayo ngayon. Okay? You do have here the star. Huwag mo siyang pangarapin, huwag mong i-expect na babalik or nandyan pa siya or may connection pa kayong dalawa. Don't do that. Because marami tayong nakikita nga sa harapan mo ngayon with the Ten of Pentacles. And I can see a lot of money, I can see a lot of happiness, marami kang mapapasayang tao. Marami kang matutulungan pang tao. Kung itong taong to ay tinitignan mo yung mga itinulong mo sa kanya and then might be makita niya yon and then might be bumalik siya or what, tumawag siya or what, dahil makikita niya yung mga itinulong mo, sarado ang mata at ang tenga ng taong ito. So don't expect. You over the devil, can you see this? Ano, even if you would try na makipag-connect, communicate sa kanya, you know, it's like you are this person na naka ganyan yung kamay, and you would ask na ikaw yung mag first move or ikaw yung mag-ask dito sa person na to. Sarado ang tenga at ang mata niya. So hayaan mo lang siya kung saan niya gusto pumunta, kung saan ang gusto niya gawin sa buhay niya, dahil wala lang rin naman mapapala kung lalapit ka or ikaw ang gagawa ng action. I mean, can you see the horse here in the person? It's like, this is you are the horse. May kakayahan kang tumulong sa kanya, pero yung person na ito may toyo. you know what I mean? May malakas ang toyo niya. Hindi siya sasakay. Hindi siya hihingi ng tulong sa iyo or hindi siya para makita yung halaga mo. Although alam niya yun sa ngayon. Ramdam niya yun sa ngayon. Alam niya yung halaga mo, pero hindi niya para pansinin yung halaga mo sa ngayon. So yun, just focus on yourself. So what will happen in the near future for you? Near future for Libra, please summarizing Venus, Jupiter, Libras. Summarizing Venus, Jupiter, Libras. You do have here the Justice card. Near future, you do have here the Death and Rebirth. Three of Pentacles. One more card. For Libra, you do have here the Ten of Pentacles. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Cups. Okay. In the near future, nakikita natin na wow, this is Death and Rebirth. Wait lang guys, ayusin natin ang camera. And the Justice card, this is your card. This is Libra. Okay. Scorpio, Taurus, Capricorn, the Virgo is also here. Mas nakikita natin magiging mas madali sa'yo ang pag-manage ng buhay mo, pagdedesisyon. I feel like etong person na ito will be coming back fast, mabilisang pagbalik ang nakikita natin. Because the Four of Pentacles and the Four of Cups, yan, nakukuha natin ito as like unti-unti na nawawalan ng pag-asa. But you have this offer, you have a lot of things to offer, na parang itong person na ito with the Four of Cups, hindi niya makita yung offer na yun sa iba. Okay, maybe he or she would try na hanapin kung sino man itong mga pwedeng pumalit sa'yo. But, nagmamatigas lang kasi siya you know. And then, marirealize niya na, bakit pa ako magpapakahirap? Bakit pa ako sasakay sa iba? Like, ang nakukuha ko dito is like parang parang pagta-travel, like you are the horse. You are the motorcycle right here. Diba? Pero, it's like yung person na ito, magta-try pa siya sumakay, magko-commute pa siya. This is like a person na nasa loob ng jeep, no? Yung makikita mo, no? Hawak-hawak niya yung bag niya. It's like riding a jeep or whatever, pero hindi rin siya makakarating dun sa pupuntahan niya because there's a lot of struggle wherein you have this. Can you see your hand over there? Na may kaya pang i-offer dito. A lot of things na kaya mong i-offer. Pero tinatry niyang pansinin yung iba, tumingin sa iba at huwag pansinin yung mga kaya mong i-offer sa kanya. So, babalik siya sa'yo. Babalikin ng taong to. Could be a soulmate. Kung ano man yung mga nag-end, marirealize niya, no? Pag walang-wala na talaga. With the Ten of Swords. So, maybe ngayon may ending, but kung walang-wala na talaga, nakikita natin yung pag namumblema na siya with the Nine of Swords. And your person is healing. This is a person healing. Four of Swords. Yeah, angel number for you is 444. Pag nagkakaproblema na siya, maybe pagdating sa kanyang stability career, lalapit siya or gagawa siya ng action sa'yo. Okay? Babalik siya. But, actually bukod doon, there's a new beginning pang naghihintay sa'yo na magbibigay ng growth sa'yo. With the Three of Pentacles. I can see you being busy in the near future. Nakikita natin magiging busy ka paggawa ng pera in the near future. And tell me about this. Tell me about this, please. For Libra, yeah, Six of Cups. Seven of Swords. I do feel like some of you, medyo mawawalan ka ng time sa mga children or what, because may mga biglaang mga pagbabago or mangyayari sa'yo na mas mabibigyan mo ng attention. But anyway, Eight of Pentacles, I guess you being a busy person here. May mga i-create ka kasing mga bago eh. May mga gagawin ka. But this is you creating something na bago. Maybe may kinalaman sa arts or what, music or what. This could be a reading. What will be the outcome dito sa kine-create mo? Ano yung magiging outcome? Two of Cups. Wow. The Lovers. I will not take this. You over the Queen of Swords. The World. Wow. The Devil and the Emperor. For some of you, yung outcome is maganda. I can see better partnership. If you're in a relationship, mas magiging maganda yung partnership, mas magiging level. Kasi minsan yung iba sa inyo, sa pakikipagrelasyon, hindi all the time dapat magkasama. Or mas nagkakaroon pa ng problema pag laging ganun. Lagi magkasama, nakikita yung toxicity. I mean, this time, maybe, mas mapapahiwalay or mas mapapalayo or magiging mas busy. Pero this is what it needs sa relationship or sa connection na ito with the world. Yung iba sa inyo hindi relationship, maybe friends or partners, kung sino man ito, na may kinalaman sa career, na with the Queen of Wands, mas nakikita natin na magiging mas masaya kayo sa connection ninyo, sa relationship ninyo, sa relasyon ninyo bilang magkaibigan, or kung ito ay may kinalaman sa love, sa inyo bilang magkarelasyon, sa magka-connect. Mas maganda yung may distance. Kasi the world is distance, pero this is a healthy distance. Parang nagkakaroon ng space sa bawat isa. You know? And you do have here the Emperor. So, may kita mo, this Emperor is still playing. Okay? And this is you in a near future na hindi ko nakikitang mai-stress ka because you're still playing or inaalam mo pa kung anong dapat gawin. So, that's why maybe mas busy ka dahil inaalam mo pa kung anong mas magandang gawin, kung anong dapat gawin. Maybe maraming pagpaplano, maraming iniisip in the near future. So, maybe, yun nga, kung bakit medyo mas mapapalayo dito or medyo mawawalan ng time. But, anyway, you're creating something eh. Ganun talaga. Thank you for watching. I love you all. And bye-bye.